In this video, I'm going to show you how to check message requests on TikTok. And try to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Open up your TikTok, right? If you love to check message requests here on TikTok, what you need to do, just click on it, right? Click on settings and privacy. Wait for it to load up, right? Click on privacy. You're going to see some options, right? So scroll down, you're going to see direct messages. So if you click on it, right? Allow direct messages from, click on this option. You're going to see from friends, from no one, from suggested friends, from everyone, right? So you're going to click on this everyone, right? Go back. Then you're going to turn this. It's going to be on, right? It's going to be on. So this is how you can do this. You're going to change this from friends to everyone, right? So everyone can now message you here on TikTok. Now if you go back to your chat, right? If you click on this inbox, anybody that message you, right? You're going to get the message notification here on your inbox, right? So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you on the very next video.